Welcome to TDR LearnandEntertainment.com. We are to begin with a series of subjects dedicated to parenting. This is the first of video. We hope you enjoy it. Blessing and best wishes to you and your family. Now let's begin. What if I told you that in just 10 minutes a day, you could completely change your relationship with your child? Not with more discipline, not with more rules, not with more lectures, but with something most parents are unintentionally losing: connection. Because here's the truth no one talks about. You can live in the same house, eat at the same table, and still feel like your child is slowly drifting away. And it doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly. Less talking, less eye contact, more screens, more "I'm tired," more "not now." Until one day, you realize you don't really know what your child is feeling anymore. Today, I'm going to show you a simple system called the 10-minute connection reset, a daily habit that can rebuild trust, improve behavior, and strengthen your relationship without stress, pressure, or perfection. First, the real problem. Let's be honest, most parents don't struggle because they don't love their kids. They struggle because they're overloaded. Work, bills, stress, responsibilities. By the time you finally sit down, you're drained. And your child? They've been waiting for you all day. Not your advice, not your corrections, not your rules. You. And when they don't get that connection, they don't say, "Hey, I feel emotionally disconnected." They show it differently. They ignore you, they argue, they act out, or they completely shut down. And most of the time, we respond by correcting the behavior instead of addressing the need behind it. That need is connection. Second, what is the 10-minute connection reset? The 10-minute connection reset is simple. Every day, you give your child 10 minutes of undivided attention. No phone, no distractions, no multitasking, just you and them. But here's the key. This is not teaching time. This is not discipline time. This is not correction time. This is connection time. And it works because it fills your child's emotional tank before it runs empty. The 4-step system. Let me break it down for you. 1. Let them lead. Ask, "What do you want to do together?" And then follow their lead. Play their game. Listen to their story. Enter their world. Even if it's something small or silly, to them it means everything. 2. Be fully present. This is where most parents fail. You can't be half on your phone and half with your child. They feel that instantly. Put the phone away, turn off distractions, make eye contact, because presence says, "You matter right now." 3. No correction zone. This part is hard but powerful. For these 10 minutes, no, stop that. No, do it right. No, that's not how you... Just observe, encourage, smile. This creates emotional safety, and emotional safety builds trust. 4. End with affirmation. Before the 10 minutes end, say something like, "I really enjoyed this time with you. I love spending time with you. You're important to me." These words stay with them longer than you think. Third, real-life impact. Now here's what happens when you do this consistently. Your child starts to feel seen. And when kids feel seen, they don't have to fight for attention. Behavior improves naturally. Communication opens up. Resistance goes down. Because you're no longer just a parent giving instructions. You become someone they feel safe with. And here's the part most people miss. This doesn't just change your child, it changes you. You become more patient, more aware, more connected. Because you're no longer parenting from frustration. You're parenting from relationship. If you're finding value in this, make sure to visit TDRLearnandEntertainment.com. We're building resources, tools, and books designed to help families grow stronger together without the overwhelm. And don't forget to sign up for your free TDR How-To ebook, created to give you practical, real-life solutions you can actually use. Fourth, what most parents do wrong. Now let's be clear about something. This only works if you stay consistent. Doing it once won't change much. But doing it daily? That's where transformation happens. Also, Don't try to control the outcome. Some days your child will be excited. Some days they won't. That's normal. What matters is that you show up. Because connection isn't built in perfect moments. It's built in consistent ones. Fifth, the 7-day connection challenge. Before you move on to the next video, I want to challenge you not to agree with this, not to just feel motivated, but to try it. For the next 7 days, commit to the 10-minute connection reset. That's it. No complicated systems, no perfect parenting, just 10 intentional minutes a day. Here's how to do it. Day 1 to 2. It might feel awkward. That's normal. Your child might not respond right away. That's okay. Stay consistent. Day 3 to 4. You'll start noticing small changes. More talking, more openness, less resistance. Day 5 to 7. Something shifts. Your child begins to expect that time. Look forward to it. Trust it. And without forcing anything, your relationship starts to grow. Important reminder. Don't turn this into another task. This is not something to complete. This is something to experience. Reflection moment. Ask yourself, when was the last time my child had my full attention, with no distractions, no corrections, just connection, and more importantly, when was the last time I felt connected to them? One final push. You don't need more time. You need intentional time. And these 10 minutes, they might seem small today, but years from now, they could be the difference between a distant relationship and a strong, unbreakable bond. A final line. Start tonight. 10 minutes. One connection, one step closer to the relationship your child truly needs. Now, let's do a closing message. If you've been feeling distant from your child, this is your reset. Not tomorrow, not next week. Tonight, 10 minutes. That's all it takes to start rebuilding something powerful. Because at the end of the day, your child won't remember how busy you were. They won't remember every rule you gave. But they will remember how you made them feel. If this message spoke to you, share it with another parent who needs it. And remember, at TDR Learn and Entertainment, we don't just create content, we help build stronger families. Before you go, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let us know in the commentaries what subjects you will like us to make content of. Remember to visit tdrlearnandentertainment.com and sign up for your free ebook from our How to series. You'll be able to choose which book from the How to series collection you'd like to receive, absolutely free. Created to help families build confidence, emotional intelligence, resilience, and strong character together. Visit tdrlearnandentertainment.com and take the next step in learning and growth. Thank you for spending this time with us. You got this. Welcome to growth. Welcome to learning. Welcome to TDR Learn and Entertainment.